24 plate Defender 110 commercial with absolutely everything. One owner from new, full Land Rover service history, VAT qualifying. It's only done 25,000 miles. It's then a D300 X-Dynamic HSE with options absolutely everywhere. Extended black pack called Climate Pack, 22-inch wheels, air suspension, deployable Towbar. It's even got the refrigerator under the armrest. So it has everything. Carpathian grey, I love especially in the X-Dynamic, but then they were very clever with the way they spec'd it. 22-inch wheels also in gloss black. Air suspension does a couple of benefits. One of them is the style. The big one is the way that it drives and handles, and the third one is if you are going to tow, when we get to the back, it makes a massive difference to anyone who is looking to do that. So deployable Towbar, huge option for people who are looking to use this as a commercial. Air suspension you can control from the back as well. 110 gives you the longer wheelbase, so then gives you more flexibility of what you can carry. The deployable Towbar is £3,500 for the part alone from Land Rover if you don't get one with it already installed. So that's a huge cost that's been removed. You'd then be carless for a few days while it gets installed. This has it. It also means you can tow pretty much whatever you want when you combine air suspension, D300 and deployable Towbar. Everything else is for the benefit of the driver. So you have heated wheel, adaptive cruise, heated seats, cooled seats, Meridian Sound system. The refrigerator under the armrest, I can count on one hand how many I've seen on commercials. They've then got the wireless charger just in front, wood interior on the inlays through there as well, 360 camera, it has everything. Just over 25,000 miles, full Land Rover service history, one owner from new, just a great car. Still has manufacturer's warranty well into 2027 as well. So it's got everything. ClearSight rear view camera for those who don't know what that is. Usually the rear view camera will be blocked slightly by the bulkhead at the back, but with a HSE, press that button, HD camera comes straight through. So full of spec, great looking car. It's got everything, including the deployable Towbar, air suspension, 22s, you name it, it has it. So if you're interested, it's going live now. If you're looking for a new commercial purchase, give me a call. Any questions about buying it, just contact me direct on my mobile number at the end of the video, and I look forward to speaking to you.